Question 46. If a maximum of 144 grams of potassium chloride dissolves in 1 dm cubed of water at 90 degrees Celsius, determine the solubility of potassium chloride at that temperature. Take molar mass of chlorine to be 35.5 and potassium K to be 39.0 gram per mole. A. 19.3 mole per dm cubed. B. 0.013 B. 0.0193 mole per dm cubed. C. 0.193 mole per dm cubed. D. 1.93 mole per dm cubed. The correct answer is D. 1.93 mole per dm cubed. Explanation. We know that solubility equals moles over volume, and we are told that 144 grams of potassium chloride will dissolve in 1 dm cubed of water. So first, find the molar mass, which is going to be 39 plus 35.5. That will give you 74.5 grams per mole. Okay, now that you have the molar mass, moles gives you mass over molar mass. So we have 144 divided by 74.5, and since it dissolves in 1 dm cubed, you can divide the whole thing by 1 dm cubed. So the solubility will be, if you do the calculation, you have 1.93 mole per dm